In this series, we are talking about moon gardening and how to moon garden and what plants to select. When you plant your moon garden, trees are usually the most important factor. They're the first plants that you decide on. If it's a small garden, don't even bother with trees. If you have a large area, find an all white blooming tree or light colored leaf tree and you can plant it in your yard. You can plant your moon garden year round. Anytime that I'm going shopping or I'm at a farmer's market or a garden center, I look around for moon garden plants. And in the springtime is the best time to plant your summer blooming flowers. So I always put in some white calla lilies or some chrysanthemums or some canna lilies that have beautiful foliage that are dark green, or anything that's really, really pretty I put in my garden in the spring. So when you're planting your moon garden, plant year round. So in the spring, when I have all the summer blooming plants available, I plant then for summer blooms. In the fall, when all the spring blooming tulips, daffodils, crocus are available, I plant then. And then in between, I'll add shrubs and trees and grasses as I find them. I love variegated plants, anything that has beautiful foliage, anything with white blooms. Next, we'll talk about trees in your moon garden.